Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix registration error of BLK dating app on your iPhone. Now if you are facing the problem of not being able to register or sign up for BLK dating, then you need to simply watch this video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data on your device. So after that, you need to simply open BLK on a device. Now if you are trying to sign up and you are getting the registration error or it says you couldn't sign up and so on, you need to simply go back on your settings on your iPhone, and on the settings you'll see the option like this. So you need to click on the option of general, which is below screen time. So under general you'll see the option like about software or update and so on. So below CarPlay and above background app refresh, you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it. Now on the iPhone storage you need to select the option which is BLK. So scroll down until you see the option of BLK, and after you find it you need to click on the option of it, or you meant to simply click on the app. As you can see, now you'll see after clicking on it you'll see the option of offload app. So click on the option of offload to delete the app storage which has been used, and it also helps you fix the box or error which is happening on your BLK app. So after doing that you need to click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again on your device. So after doing this, if the registration error goes away and you're able to sign up, that's good. If that doesn't help, you need to simply uninstall the app from a device. So click on long press on the app and you'll see the option of delete app. So click on it and you need to remove the app from your device, and you need to simply reinstall it again from your app store. Now after that, if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you need to simply restart your iPhone by clicking on the power button and volume up button at the same time. So, and you may also click on the option, or you may also do the same on your Android as well to fix the registration error which is happening on your BLK account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.